are Bowlby Wood. We're located in Shelbyville, Indiana. We make crafts to door hangings to large signs, badges. My wife Krista and I started to make things from wood after I retired from the Sheriff's Department. Started a small business and started our carving with a digital wood carver. A friend of mine I went to the FBI National Academy with had one and recommended them highly based on the quality of the machine and the customer service. He said the customer service is better than anything I've ever seen in my life, and he's absolutely right. Now I can put an entire sheet of plywood on the machine and cut out anything I want to cut out, or I can go down to something as small as 3 or 4 inches square and do the same things. But I have confidence in this machine that it'll do just about anything I want to do. We've carved solid wood, oak, cherry, pine, poplar, walnut. I knew the concept, but I knew nothing about programming. I knew nothing about how to make it run. I knew nothing about designing anything, nothing at all. When I was growing up, I went to school to be a mechanic, and I can do things with my hands and I can do things with a wrench, but as far as computers go, I was not good at it. While initially this whole CNC process is not very straightforward, it's complicated. It can be learned. It's not terribly difficult. I mean, I learned how to do it, so and it produces a good product. If you do everything you're supposed to do, keep your bits sharp, keep everything clean on your computer, and understand each tab and what you're supposed to do, then things turn out very well. I've learned enough that I can do a lot of things. I think you have to have the mindset that you can learn it. It just takes a little bit, and it's different than what you're used to most times. There's a lot of people with CNC experience that wouldn't have any trouble at all adapting to this because they're used to doing the same things. The program, the Vectric software, the V-Carve software, makes it so easy for the average person to use that it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. Customer service is outstanding. The company itself is outstanding. They are there anytime you call them for anything. A friend of mine had a carver that he purchased from some company in China. The software was terrible. He wasn't able to get it to turn on or make it operate, and was asking me about this machine because he'd heard about it. He came up, spent a couple hours to talk about it. I showed him our machine, and he ended up purchasing the 2440. He's been thrilled with it. Another person I know also asked about the same thing and had some experience with CNC, but had never experienced not only the Vectric software, the V-Carve software, but the customer service that Digital Wood Carver offers. So they've both had positive experiences, as I'm sure everyone else that's ever purchased a machine from them has experienced. It's been a good experience. It's helped us expand our business. It's helped us meet new people. We always are trying to learn something new. And in January, we bought a 90-watt cabinet laser. My wife's wanted one for some time, and she started working with it, and it's just about run 24/7 ever since she's had it. So she makes all kinds of things and enjoys it a lot. And the laser does a lot of different things than the wood carver does, than the CNC does, because it can do finer detail, smaller things, cut acrylic with it. She has a fella coming today that's bringing some leather that he wants to cut to make some fishing lures. So she's going to do that with this machine, and we've just found endless possibilities and projects and different ways to use our ideas, and keeps us busy.